Step, the mobile banking app, has just increased their referral rewards to $3 for every referral, making it a lot easier to start earning big with their app. That means just by downloading the app through my link in the description, you are already making yourself $3. With that said, I will firstly explain what Step is in this video, and then I'll show you the best ways to get money. Okay, so Step is a mobile banking app designed for teens with no fees whatsoever. Step guarantees you a free FDIC insured bank account and a free Visa card. If you are a teen and plan on using this app, you would need your legal guardian to make an account and sponsor yours so you can actually start spending. Also, Charlie D'Amelio, Addison Rae, Blake Gray, and many other TikTok influencers are sponsored by Step. Alright, now I will explain how to start making big money with it. From Step, every time someone downloads an app and creates an account through your link, you and that person each get $3, and $6 if you are part of the Step squad. With legit referral apps like these, the trick to making a lot of money is to get your link where a lot of people will see it without being annoying. For starters, you can easily get a fast $20 just by getting your family members and close friends to do it. But, as I said before, if you are looking to win big, an example would be to make a TikTok, Instagram post, Instagram story, Twitter post, Facebook post, or YouTube video advertising your link and how people can get a lot of money from it. Another way is to just ask for people to do it on Discord or something LMAO. Just do whatever is best for you to start making fast cash. Thanks for watching this video, and do not forget, download app through my link in the description below, to start earning easy money. Good luck!